You're here to Smitty's, huh?
Yeah. There's a girl there at barbecue chicken is pretty big, I think.
Okay, yeah. These guys are wanting to do brisket, pork ribs, beef ribs, and sausage, right? That was good.
Yeah, it's mandatory.
That was the mandatory. So they weren't doing it a fried chicken. Because you only have so much room in your stomach.
No, chicken I can do at home.
Chicken trail. Okay, so we just about, we did, Smitty's. Yeah, I see it here, Living City Market, yeah. Okay, I'm going to find, prices is not on here, on this list. That's weird, huh? So where do the locals eat? Is it pretty much evenly divided?
Depends on who they're related to.
Probably.
Are you, lost?
To be honest, I don't think they
You get sick of it? So all the
all there is here, barbecue and Mexican food.
And good basic products.
That's it, and they could not get real sick of those.